Hi, my name is Jones. I'm going to run you through the setup of Sage 200 Evolution BI Excel add-in. To begin, navigate to the folder containing the setup files. Double-click Setup to install. You'll be prompted to install any missing prerequisites before proceeding. On completion, open the SelfBI Excel file within the same folder. Go to Options, click on Connect Database, type in your server name, username, password, select Database, select the last month of your financial year, connect. Type in your license and register. Go to Options, go to Align Geo Accounts. You have two tabs. The first one is Operating Cash Flow for the cash flow statement. The second one is Operating Expenses for the income statement. Specify by indicating on the drop-down the following accounts: tax, interest, dividends, and short-term debt. So dividends received, select on the drop-down dividends received accounts. Okay, dividends paid, indicate dividends paid. Dividends payable, indicate dividends paid account. Also indicate on interest paid and interest payable. Short-term debt indicate, as well as tax provision and deferred taxes. Go to Operating Expenses, click on the header to sort by that column, and check the checkboxes for the accounts that apply as operating expense accounts. When you're done, close. Go to Options, go to Run Report. On the first tab, Financials, click on Balance, click on Report and select Dashboard, and select the period, either daily, weekly, or monthly, and select Date, then Run. Okay, the first one is the working capital dashboard, and it's showing ratios, days outstanding, and cash conversion cycle for the past 6 periods, in this case months. Then we have stock, customer, and supplier balances for the last 6 periods. Then we have customer and supplier age analysis side by side. When we come to the income dashboard, we have gross profit figures, as well as percentages for the past 6 periods, broken down into area, sales rep, customer group, customer item type, warehouse, item group, and item. Then we have operating expenses. Then we have operating profit and net profit. And we come to the last dashboard, which is the cash flow dashboard. The first chart shows net cash flow versus cash position for the past 6 months. The next one shows expenses. Then we have customer receipts versus supplier payments per period for the last 6 periods. The last chart is showing total cash inflows versus total cash outflows. And all this information can be filtered by account type, by account, e.g. customer account, ledger account, or supplier, by group, customer group or supplier group, area, sales rep. Go to options, go to run report, financials on report, select income statement. On period, you can select either monthly, quarterly, semi-yearly, or yearly. We'll go with quarterly. Then you can choose to print summarized format. You can also choose to include budget. Actual, common size, budget, common size, actual versus budget, variance, variance percentage, prior, common size, actual versus prior, variance, percentage, revenue, cost of sales, GP, operating expenses, operating profit, other income, other expenses, profit before taxes, tax expense, net profit. Options, run report. Print assets first. Actual, common size, prior, common size, before prior, common size. Options, run report, cash flow statement, actual, prior, net profit adjustments, working capital, tax paid, interest paid, dividends paid if any, investing cash flow, financing cash flow. Options, run report, statement of changes in equity. First period, second period, current period. Go to options, run report, customer/sales, sales, select date range, check match income statement GP if you would want your sales and cost of sales figures to match those on the income statement, which may include stock adjustments, ledger journals, customer and supplier journals. Select the columns that you want on the report. If you want to print by customer group, by customer, or if you want to print by warehouse, by item group, and position the columns accordingly, and click run. Item type, under item type you have stock, you have adjustments, stock adjustments, as well as ledger, if there are any ledger transactions. Could be cost of sales or revenue. Options, run report, edge analysis. You'll be able to select the columns that you want as well. Run. Total balance, current, and so forth. Options, run report, supply and purchases, report, select purchases, select columns, run. Options, run report, supply edge analysis, select columns, run. Options, run report, inventory, select report, movement, select columns, you have the opening balance here, then purchases. If you break that down to show you goods received and returned to supplier, then adjustments, and then sales, issue stock and receive stock, adjustments and warehouse transfers. Options, run report, valuation. Okay, this is the end. Thank you very much for your time.